Well, here it is. This device will bring wireless CarPlay on any Alpine, Pioneer and Kenwood head units. Unfortunately, this won't work with the Android devices. This is basically what you get. It's really nothing fancy, it's just a simple box and has this cool little manual inside. Other than that, the device itself, it's made out of plastic and features a USB connector as well. So you are able to actually connect it wirelessly or through a cable if you like. There are quite a few dongles out there from the same brand, but only this particular model number will work with the aftermarket receivers. Well, I know it sounds great and all, but now it's time to see how it actually performs when it's connected to a receiver. In this case, I'm gonna use this Alpine ILX W650, which is the fastest unit so far in terms of screen responsiveness. So will be a great combination of those two and see how they work together. So this CarKit device should be plug and play, and there we go. We already had a notification that Apple CarPlay is connected, and as you see, it's right there. And now the only thing left is just pull out my phone and connect it through Bluetooth, and it should be good to go. And here it is, wireless CarPlay. But let's see how responsive it is, because I have a feeling it's not gonna be great, and for sure that's what it is. The screen responsiveness is the worst I've seen so far. Here's a side-by-side comparison without the CarLink and with the CarLink, and as you can see, the wired connections is way faster. So that's a big downside of this device. I mean, it's nice to have your phone in the pocket at all times, but you pay the price, which is the responsiveness is gonna be bad. Well, for sure I got excited too soon, but let's give it another shot and try to use the Maps app. And as you can see, it's super laggy, makes it really difficult to browse the map. But let's try to type something and see how that goes. But you know, my main concern by being so laggy is when using the maps and you have to make a turn, you look at the screen and it's getting confusing because it makes you think you're not quite there yet. And that's how you miss that turn, and you are late to work or to any place you have to go and so on. But hey, if you don't mind having everything on the screen moving slower than usual, then this is the perfect dongle for you, the perfect wireless kit that you can buy for your aftermarket head unit. Other than that, that's pretty much it. That's the biggest downside of this device. It's gonna be slow at times, and we're gonna do another quick test here and watch some YouTube and see how far behind the sound is, if it's syncing up with the video itself or if it's lagging behind. By the way, guys, if you are wondering how did I get the YouTube on CarPlay, stay tuned. I'm gonna have a new video coming on soon and showing you how to get the YouTube on CarPlay. And that's what I expected, to be honest, for audio to fall behind the image and not sync up with the video. That means it's super laggy and has this delay, which is super annoying. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned because I'm gonna release a video soon about how to get YouTube on CarPlay. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe to this channel for more similar content. I will see you soon.